Hey y'all, I'm Red Beauty, and this is Red's first time doing a hair review video, and I hope y'all like it. So, the first thing we're gonna do is tell y'all about this Bonnet again. It is the Texture Half Wig by Sensational. It is a Curls and Kinks and Company hairstyle in the color 1B. See right there? So yeah, let's get it started. So the first thing I want to do is tell you about how I prep my hair. I don't have time to be doing no cornrows, braids, and all that jazz. All I did was put me a satin scarf underneath and tie my hair down. And then laid it down, you know what I'm saying? Put a middle part, laid it down, smoothed it down or whatever and whatnot. So I can get it nice and flat. Because this is gonna be a thick little half wig. From the YouTube video I saw, it was a very thick wig. So, I mean, this is as flat as it's gonna be. This is good enough for me. Yeah, so I just laid my hair down flat and just parted it down the middle. And then what I'm gonna do is take some hair out here. So it says it's recommended for all curl types from 3B to 4C. Sure to blend in with it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the first ever Red Beauty hair review. Well, yeah, I'll go ahead and take it out of the package. So it comes in a clear package like this. Pitch that shit. And it comes with care instructions, which I'll read to you guys later. And then it has a nice little net. Ooh, already loving these curls. Look at this. Look at the curls. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to take out the package yet. Can't get it all out of the package. I kind of want to just show you guys how it looks in the like hair net before I get to fluffing it out. And this is the package that it comes back off like that. And I have scissors right next to me. I just like ripping shit. Just ripping it. Rip it off. Range it off. Okay. So take out the little, wherever the hell that is. Throw that shit out. And yeah, I'm probably gonna have to cut this part. This little, usually like if I wasn't on camera, I would just rip this shit, but I'm not gonna rip it. I'm gonna be a little professional and try to cut it out. But she looking good though. This shit off right here. Okay, so damn, I usually got a mannequin around here. I don't know where her bald head is at. Okay, here she go. Let me go get my mannequin girl. Red Beauty. Say hi, Red Beauty. I got this from the hair store. Let's get her on there. So I think I'm gonna put her on the mannequin first. Red Beauty. This is Red Beauty. This is Red Beauty right here. I suggest that when you do put your wig back on your mannequin, you lay this back on here to keep the hold of the curl. It lasts a little longer. I like to change my hair a lot, so I would probably keep my half wig in for about 2 weeks, a week, depending on what I gotta do. Have a new hairstyle every damn 2 weeks, a week if you let me, maybe twice. 2 hairstyles in 1 week or whatever, I don't know. I guess I just wanna look at her for a second and let you guys also see how it's kind of like a black girl natural hair that has been blown out and curled. And that's, see these curls, they real tight. I'm gonna fluff them out, but not too much because over time it's gonna fall a little on its own. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like on the mannequin. Red Beauty, I'm Red Beauty. Hey y'all, I'm Red Beauty, and this is Red's first time doing a hair review video, and I hope y'all like it. So anyway, so I got my mannequin here, and I have this thing of this rainmaker. I don't know why they call her rainmaker, but I don't know. I guess because she gonna make it rain when she wear this. They gonna make it rain. So here's the hair. This is how the curls bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Makeup is own makeup. I use It look good. Look at that. Ooh, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him with this. Hey. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has these combs in the front. And it really doesn't have any combs on the side, but it really doesn't need it. Then it has a comb in the back. And can y'all believe this hair was only $17.99? Look at the construction of it. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. And I think it's big head friendly because I got a big head. So let's see if it's stretched. I like it kind of tight, so I feel like can't nobody just come by walking down the street and just rip my shit off. So I like that it's kind of tight. It seems like it's big head friendly, but we gonna see. So I don't know really what I want to do with the curls yet. I don't know if I really want to pull them out just yet. I think I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna wait until I put it on my head before I get to fluffing it. And I think I want to do a half up, half down look with it, but we're gonna see first. So anyway, this is how the hair looks out of the package. $17.99. For $17.99, this looks good. This looks like a real natural black girl who had her hair blown out. This about to look like me. They gonna think this my shit. Watch. They be like, this yours? I'm like, yeah, girl, this mine. This my hair, girl, yeah. I'm natural. I grew this out. Nah, I ain't gonna be lying like that. But anyway, y'all see it. Bounce, 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 bounce. I like the curls. I just want to play with it. I just want to play with the hair. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm be like, hey y'all, what's up? Y'all want to go have Mother's Day brunch? Come on, y'all, come on. Be like, girl, when you get your hair done, girl, I did my hair, girl. Okay. Stay tuned.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this down here and take out some of this hair, some leave out right here. I don't want too much. If I need to put out some more, I can do that. My hair been breaking out. I gotta start doing more treatments on my hair, but so I'm gonna piece out this much, and then we're gonna see how the damn thing gonna go. What? Huh? Put the computer together. My hair might be too straight, so I laid it down so slick. See? Piece out little sections. That's probably too damn much.
All right. Okay. It's time. It's time to put my hair on. Doop, 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 doop. I got a big ego. Okay. And so I like to put mine from the front, like so. Dig it in there, and then bring it down to the back, and then hook it underneath my bun. Oh, this is feeling good on my head, on my big old head. Oh, this is definitely big head friendly. Oh yeah, because I don't feel that, like, I don't know what the word is. I don't feel like I'm stretching it to get it over my head. I feel like it just fit perfectly and it contoured to my head. So this is definitely, for you girls that got you some big old heads out there like me, this is definitely big head friendly, okay? Let me tell you something, look at these curls. I ain't even got her in all the way and she already looking good. Ooh, I can't wait. So when you first put a half wing, you know, you gotta look at it and think about like, all right, so you gotta attack it. You gotta attack it with a game plan. Like, all right, first style, you gotta test it out, see how it look while it's down before you get to doing ponytails and all that extra shit. So the curls already, like, for real, is the shit. Like, look at that curl. Look at that curl. You know how much time it's about to save me? $17.99 for this. And I know I'm looking crazy right now, but when I get to styling this thing, it's gonna be on that popping. See, I gotta put some more hair out. But shit, I love her. I love rainmaking. Shout out to Amazon Prime for this rainmaking. Damn, now I'm like, damn, do I wanna do a bang? Do I wanna do a bang in this thing? Do I wanna do a bang in this thing? You know, when you get some hair, you feel cute, you wanna dance and shit. And you flip it. Hey! Okay. Seriously though, I might want to leave this down. I thought I was gonna do a half up, half down. I don't know if I want that much of my hair to show. Did one girl, she had it in the video, she was like putting that thing to the side. Let's see. Man, I feel cute. Baby girl, I feel like a star. It ain't even styled yet. It's looking all crazy and it's looking cute. What if I did my thumbnail like this? Would y'all be mad? Ooh, that might be a cute thumbnail though. Let's see. See how it just blends like with your natural hair? I gotta put some jam on it and stuff. And oh my god, that's gonna be so freaking good, y'all. So I'm gonna play with this in the mirror and I'll be back and I'll show y'all. I'm gonna play with this in the mirror and I'll come back and show y'all how I styled it. Cause I got to look in the mirror. I got to get up close. I got to get the edges. I think I'm gonna do a bang. I thought I was gonna do a half up. Yeah, so like I said, y'all, I didn't want it to be so bouffant at the top. Bouffant. So I put a little scarf on it to kind of tie it down and make it a little bit lower. So hopefully this will push it down more. You would bust in here while I'm recording. I have the retention cord. Next time, knock, okay? With a little bit. And I kind of, if you can see, blended my own hair in there pretty good. I mean, this shit, I mean, it really looks like my texture of hair. Like texture hair, natural hair between a 4, I would say 4A and a 4C. Now on the package it says, you can do all curl types from a 3B to a 4C. So if you have 3B hair to 4C hair, honey, this rainmaker is for you. See, you see it right there. So yeah, rainmaker and 1B. See, that's how it looks on her. I kind of try to do the same type of effect with the kind of like on this side. I think I want to do a little bit more hair. Now, one thing I will tell y'all about this hair is you don't want to manipulate the curls too much, because one curl I really did like that and the curl does not come back in like that. So be careful with the curls. Don't, because at first, you know, with my half wigs, I usually just fluff them out to make them look real, because if you leave them with that curl right out that pack, you're gonna be looking like Raggedy Ann, Barbie doll, like it just looks so fake. So anyway, but this one, the curls are so good because it's natural. You can kind of leave these curls, because if you don't, like, see this one, I manipulated it a little too much and it turned kind of not the same curl. So I wouldn't play with the curls too much. I would politely just manipulate it to where you want to go, because it will lose that pretty curl. So with this one, you don't want to be just raking that shit, because it's gonna look probably not that good. It's probably gonna look shit like this. But I don't want mine to look like too blown out like that. That looked like damn near an afro. Like she went out in the humidity and it just like whoosh, blew up. So I kind of want to keep my curls. I don't want my curls to look like hers. I want my curls to look like this. So I really don't like it too big in the top, and I feel like the more I go outside and do things, it's gonna probably blow up. So what I may do is take a scarf and lay that bad boy down so it can kind of like look like more to my head. So yeah, rainmaker.
$17.99, bad boy right here. I can roll with this. $17.99. Y'all better get y'all. So right here, the package